Hello, crafty friends. This is Anya General with Ink, Paper, Scissors. In today's video, I'll be picking a color combination from one of my color cubes and then creating a card inspired by those colors. This is one of the original color cubes by Sarah Renae Clark. This is Cube 1, and I still love reaching for it when I need a little creative direction or want to try something different. I'll also be using some fun products that Spellbinders released a few weeks ago. This includes the Windmills and Tulips BetterPress plate, along with the coordinating stencil. I'll be using the plate with the BetterPress system today, but you could also use it with the Glimmer system for foiling, which gives you even more versatility. If you're not familiar with the difference, the BetterPress system gives you a soft, letterpress-style impression with ink, while the Glimmer system adds a beautiful foiled shine. So you can really choose the look you prefer depending on the style of card you're going for. Before I dive into today's card and the color combination I'll be using, I would really appreciate it if you would give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I've also linked all the products used in the video description below, as well as in my visual supply list. Many of these are affiliate links at no extra cost to you, and they truly help support my work and allow me to continue bringing you free content. For today's card, I picked color combination 015. I pulled out my ink swatches and compared them to the color card so I could find the closest matches. From there, I selected the following Altenew ink colors: Puffy Heart, Razzleberry, Shadow Creek, Sage Stone, and Tide Blue. These are the colors I'll be using for today's card, but I'll be working with them in different intensities, which really helps add depth and variation while still staying true to the original color combination. I won't be talking you through every step of the process since it's fairly straightforward, but I'll let the video play with some music so you can see how everything comes together. I'll be back at the end to wrap things up. And of course, if you have any questions along the way, feel free to leave them in the comments. I'm always happy to help. So, what do you think of this color combination? Do you feel like it matches the original inspiration card? I think it turned out really well, and I love how cohesive everything looks once all the elements come together, especially with the Windmills and Tulips design, which works beautifully with these colors. To finish off the card, I decided to add a gold border to frame the design. I love how this gives the card the look of a beautiful framed piece of artwork, and it really helps highlight all of the colors. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. I share card making ideas, techniques, and inspiration to help you get more out of the supplies you already have. I'd also love to know, do you use color palettes when you create, or do you prefer to pick colors as you go? And if you do use them, do you find them helpful? Let me know in the comments below. I always enjoy hearing how you approach your card making. As mentioned earlier, you can find all the products linked in the description below, as well as in my visual supply list. Many of my links are affiliate links at no extra cost to you, and I truly appreciate your support. I've also linked my Facebook group below. I would love for you to join and share your creations with our crafty community. I'm also working on something fun for the group that I'll be sharing in May. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. Until next time, happy crafting.